Welcome to TripWorks University. Today, we'll show you what to do when a guest signs a waiver before they have a booking, and how to make sure it always ends up in the right place.
Not every guest who signs a waiver has a booking yet. A walk-in at the counter, a boat tour where the headcount changes right up until departure, someone who scanned a QR code before you ever created their ticket. That signature is real and it's saved, but it isn't attached to anything. Here's exactly what to do with it. There are 3 paths, and which one you use depends on the guest. Promote them to a brand new ticket if they're actually joining the trip. Link their waiver for record keeping only if they're not. Or if they already have a ticket that's just sitting unsigned, skip all of that and assign the waiver straight onto it. First path, an additional signer already on the trip. Expand that panel and you'll see exactly who signed and when, with an Add Ticket button right on their row. Click it, and you're choosing a real ticket type and quantity for them. Same as adding any other guest to this reservation. No separate waiver step, no re-signing. Second path, the signature isn't going to become a booking, but you still want it on file for this trip. Link additional waivers to this trip opens a search across every unassigned waiver on the account. Find the right name, select it, and link it. No ticket, no booking, no charge, just the record attached to the right trip. Third path, someone's already got a ticket on your manifest, it just still shows unsigned. Click that status, choose Browse Unassigned Waivers, and you'll see the same account-wide pool sorted by when each one was signed. Find theirs, hit Assign, and it attaches directly. Nobody has to sign twice. Same underlying pool of signatures, 3 different outcomes depending on what that guest actually needs: a new ticket, a record on file, or a waiver matched to a ticket that's already there. Check your trips for any additional signers or unsigned status today, and make sure nothing's sitting unmatched.
Thanks for watching TripWorks.com University. Visit TripWorks.com to keep learning, and we'll see you in the next lesson.